So last week I ordered this DZ tailgate assist kit. I'm going to install it on the truck and try to get it where folks won't slam my tailgate, which it's just mainly me driving it. I like to take care of my equipment if possible. So I got this bolt broke loose for the tailgate support. Install the bracket and snug this down. Now we're going to install this nutsert right here in this hole to bolt the other bracket. We're going to need a 5mm Allen socket and a 10mm wrench. Well, looks like I misspoke. Looks like I might need a 9mm wrench. Alright, you just tighten it down until the threads come out, and then it's installed. The other bracket goes on like this, and it's got a Loctite made onto the bolt, so it should be ready to rock and roll. Of course, it's a different size Allen socket. That's a 4mm Allen socket we're gonna need for that. It's gonna tighten down and fit up flush. Alright, so we're gonna have to go back through and reprint this thing, but where I messed up, I should just use the ratchet to hold it and turn the socket, or turn the nut. I've done this before, it's just been a while. Put one on one of our company trucks at work. Alright, so now that sits flush and that bracket done wiggling. So you need to make sure to run this thing all the way down until it really clamps that nut to it. And the only thing left is to install the gas shock. How it works. I want that smooth feel of a brand new Denali. Not an 08 Chevrolet. Ain't that just perfect? All right. Again, the part number for this kit is DZ 43102, and it was about $50 through my local auto parts store. So if you want one, go ahead and get it ordered. And you see, it's not a whole lot of work to get it installed on the truck. Yeah, I'm totally tickled with that. Ain't nobody just drop your tailgate anymore. That is perfect. So next time we're going to probably be working on the Farmall Cub. And then we also got a couple mowers coming in. They're going to be project tractors too. So we'll check on y'all next time.